God bless you. Your friend Prince Elisha Kofi Osei. Meton Safro Afi Anointing for Restoration 2025. I can't wait to see you there. Send your Afibia no. The first Sunday in the month of June. Yeshia near Sugunya, so I catch Radisarade, share name. Afibia no, it will take place at the International Conference Center opposite the Parliament House of Ghana. International Conference Center opposite the Parliament House of Ghana. And at this year, Anointing for Restoration, it takes place. I am Paibo, a soon, a Yamiasem, and Adum, and Musra, Ejuma, and Yababayo. It may catch us say, baby, all over Ghana, all over the world. Yatun Safro, this one day, Anointings for Restoration. 1st June, a Sunday, and past 7 a.m. na Jumedino I started. All over Ghana, and the about together. Baby, I will be buses will be there to pick you up. And one is over chatting my number. Near show baby, I want bus maybe a riding Yankopon in shop. I can't wait to see you there. Yadia Nyom, you soon and in Pibo. Minimdia, Echo Swabrab, Aya Warrior, Aya Juma, Aya Dane. Do you want to have an encounter with God? Aya Grace encounter. I can't wait to see you there. Restoration 2025. We will nail it to the cross.